Encore, encore. Random translation to what should Chick-fil-A's encore be? Should it be round here? This is how we roll, or should it be 1994? Click a button. Click a button. Click one of them, and he'll just sing it. Bye. Don't you come back up here. Told you the video's over, okay? Don't do it like last time.